Hey there, welcome back to our channel guys. We hope you're all doing safely. Today, we are going to walk you through a topic that has been in its zenith for the past couple of years, and that is NFTs. We will be learning about NFTs from scratch and also how to make money with NFTs in 2022. Before we begin, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, NFT Insights. Also, please share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more such videos. Now, let's get back to the talk of the town, i.e. the crypto community. NFT stands for Non-Fungible Token. It basically means that it's a one-of-a-kind digital asset that belongs to you and you only. Wait. Don't worry about how technical and confusing that sounds. We'll first take a look at some terms to help you understand better. What do fungible and non-fungible mean? The word fungible applies to a group of items or members that are identical and can be traded for each other. An example would be your $10 bills, because they are similar and can be exchanged for each other. Similarly, even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are fungible. Non-fungible, on the other hand, is a group of items or members that are unique. For example, the Mona Lisa is a painting by Leonardo da Vinci, which is a one-of-a-kind. No other painting is replaceable with it, no matter how many copies we make. Another easy example is Pokemon. Each Pokemon is a unique member of that category. So now that we have our concepts cleared, let's see what a non-fungible token is. About NFTs. NFT is simply a unit of data stored on a blockchain. A blockchain is a system where several computers are linked to each other and store important information on the transactions that take place in crypto like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the works of it. This blockchain verifies your NFT's authenticity and uniqueness. Now, an NFT can be anything from digital artwork to a piece of music, from the photo of a celebrity to a video of a cat singing happy birthday. But how do you know that nobody is stealing your digital artwork? After all, we easily and quickly find the most trending memes, images, and videos on the internet. Anyone could claim your work to be theirs, right? Wrong. This is where blockchain comes to the rescue. It provides your NFT with provable ownership and uniqueness. This means it is a fraud-proof, monitors and tracks the owners of that NFT, and records all transactions that it goes through. How cool is that? We know that NFTs often cost a fortune, but not all of them. In fact, some are practically worthless. A noticeable perk of an NFT is that the crazier the story, the higher its price. It is also determined by who made the NFT. Usually, people who have fame and considerable fan following are capable of selling their NFTs for high prices. After all, who doesn't want to own an item by Snoop Dogg or Kylie Jenner? There are some more factors like how old the NFT is and its context and utility. In short, the rarer and bizarre your NFT, the costlier it could be. That brings us to the question itself. How do you make money out of NFTs today? It is either by selling or collecting NFTs. To sell, you could use any of these methods. Number 4 is digital art. The simplest way of doing so is by selling art as NFT. Since a blockchain would prove the originality and uniqueness of your work, a transaction will be registered once you sell the original digital piece. A powerful advantage you get in the crypto world is establishing a fee of 5% to 10%. Every time somebody sells or resells your work, you can get a 5 or 10% of that amount. Imagine your artwork getting resold for $1 million. You can make up to $100,000 with that. This way, you have your headspace entirely for creative thinking instead of sweating over how much money you could initially make. The history of blockchain's technology and art forever changed on March the 11th. An NFT work of art was sold for $69 million at Christie's, one of the world's most prestigious auction houses. Christie's auctioned a completely digital artwork for the first time in history. Digital artist Mike Winkelmann, popularly known as Beeple, created the project named Everydays, the first 5,000 days. His artwork is a collage of 5,000 tokenized images that Beeple created every day over a period of 14 years. Imagine that. NFTs are considered a true revolution of art by most people today, given that their technology simply needs to be explored better. Number 3 is licensed collectibles. Remember the good old days when we could collect and trade Pokemon cards or WWE cards as kids? Now you can turn these items into NFTs and sell them. Well, not the children's cards, but similar collectibles like rare items from sports cards to football and basketball cards. The NBA recently launched its own NFT card collection. It certainly won't stop here because NFTs can be securely stored on a blockchain without losing their quality, unlike physical trading cards. It is likely that sports cards for hockey and baseball will be available for collectors in the coming future. Number 2 is NFT-based video games. Assemble gamers and game developers. This one is definitely for you. Video games built on NFT technology could very well be the future of NFT technology. So far, none of the games that use non-fungible tokens have been widely popular, but the potential for using NFTs in video games appears to be vast. Gamers are especially known to spend a lot of money on virtual products. Whether it's World of Warcraft Gold, Call of Duty loot boxes, or Counter-Strike skins, all of these markets are already worth billions. If a large video game business decides to offer in-game things as NFTs, it will have a great influence on both the gaming and blockchain ecosystems. NFT video game producers are one of the most ambitious non-fungible token creators, and NFT in-game products could help take non-fungible technology forward. In-game NFTs are significantly more complicated than basic digital trading cards or even more interactive NFTs like virtual works of art. Non-fungible tokens in video games can be pretty intricate, fully interactive, and evolve over time, for example, by being upgraded or leveling up alongside the player's character. Number 1 is absolutely anything you want. As long as it can be digitalized, there are no restrictions on what can be sold as NFT. Recently, Elon Musk almost auctioned a song he made about NFTs as an NFT. Unbelievable, right? It's still not as bizarre as Jack Dorsey, the founder of Twitter, selling his own tweet for a whopping $2.9 million as an NFT. As beginners, this information might have gotten your creative fluids flowing on how you could make your first NFT and fill your pockets. There are 4 simple technical steps to start. First, download MetaMask. This is a Chrome extension that is your 2-in-1 wallet and e-signature. MetaMask allows users to store and manage account keys, broadcast transactions, transfer and receive Ethereum-based coins and tokens, and securely connect to blockchain technologies. Next, create a wallet on MetaMask. Send Ethereum to the wallet. Once your wallet is created, you just need to transfer the Ethereum from the platform where your digital currency is stored. Finally, you are prepared to go NFT shopping. And the perfect place to check out is OpenSea, the largest NFT marketplace. On OpenSea, you can buy, sell, auction, and create all sorts of NFTs, rare digital items, and collectibles with crypto. You simply have to upload your digitalized piece before you can sell it. Keep in mind that you have to pay a certain fee in order to sell the NFT. Otherwise, the marketplace would be bombarded with valueless NFTs all the time. So make sure you create and sell something you are proud of. Similarly, for buying an NFT, you can surf on OpenSea or any other NFT marketplace such as Axie Infinity, Rarible, Decentraland, and Super Rare. Every NFT comes with its price, description, history of its transactions, and all the information you need. Now that you are armed with these steps, we are confident that you are ready to put your foot forward, whether you plan on selling NFTs as any item or simply collecting them to begin with. Non-fungible tokens are more than merely some fad in the cryptocurrency world. NFT technology offers a wide range of applications, and its full potential is only now being tapped. The NFT gold rush appears to be just getting started as more individuals and organizations decide to join the non-fungible token ecosystem. In today's times, the most popular NFTs are still some full photos, which indicates that the market is still cheap. The genuine explosion in NFT popularity may not occur until complicated non-fungible tokens that fully exploit the new technology become more popular. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. We hope you all have a happy and prosperous new year in 2022. Make sure to like and subscribe to NFT Insights. We'll see you soon. Take care and happy earnings.